Top of the top, everybody. Welcome back to another episode. Welcome back to another soccer adventure today. Walking on my way to the field, y'all. I'm not sure if y'all peep game, but I've been uploading some soccer content lately. I got back in the groove of things. I used to be a goalkeeper when I was younger. I have a lot of trophies and shit. And yeah, I'm getting back in the groove of things. I came with my cousins and my little brother to play. Now that they're older, it makes it more competitive. But check out this park though. We're somewhere in Marina del Rey, by the coast, by the ocean. Costa Culver City, you know, next to Venice Beach. They be having good parks, clearly. So they got a dope ass soccer field, which is made out of turf. But I'm gonna put y'all on the goalkeeper, on the goalie, and then see what we get into. I hope y'all enjoy the content. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know y'all fuck with it. I'm gonna upload more shit. Let's go. Bro, look at the little court. They got the little kid court. They got the main court. They got the pond. That's my little brother. Little cousins. And it looks like we got the court to ourselves. All right, y'all. So I told you I'm a goalkeeper. I got brought my gloves today. Little Pumas. I do gotta upgrade them. Shout out to my little cousin in the back. Got these little shoes, you feel me? Got them at Burlington, 20 bucks, man. I'm gonna show y'all. You don't need to spend $100 to be a good soccer player, you know? I haven't played in, I would say like 15, 20 years, dude. And I still got it, I feel like, you know? Yeah. It's gonna be a vibe. Show them the field, look at them. Beautiful, huh, Angel?
Oh, yeah.
That ball feels nice. I bet. And then of course we're gonna be repping Chihuahua today, you feel me?
Yeah.
Shout out to all my chapines out there.
Oh yeah.
Let's show them. Come on, bro. Look at that drip, man. Look at that.
Show on the back, show on the back, show on the back.
Show on the back, show on the back. Come on, bro.
Oh,
you feel me?
Yeah.
Got the last name on there. You feel me?
Now they know your name and their last name.
It was my uncle's name.
Spell that?
Yeah, my uncle's he's a sponsor for the team.
Really?
Yeah. They gave him an award the other day. So about to get a little bit of a couple of little warm-ups right now, and then warm up the blood. You know, your boy 30 now, so you feel me, Angel? You'll be in my shoes one day. Nah, but
one of these days.
No, but that ass, like I don't feel none of that old people shit. I feel good and young, man. But let's get this warm up in, and then let's go block some shots, man.
Do it.
Do this thing. Whoa.
Oh.
Yeah.
Stretch.
Good.
Woo. Nah.
Oh, that's a good shot right there. I'm kind of hurt, dude. Oh. Ah, sí, madre. Gotta do outside the foot, that's hard. Pretend everything is moved slow motion, trust me. There you go. Take your time. There you go. Woo. So we got a little game going on. You gonna play, Angel?
Sure.
For sure.
Is that a good shot?
Yeah, that's a good shot.
Alright. Yeah, because that's gonna mess us up more. Hey, chill. I'll move it back. The spot. See, that's a good shot.
Looks good to me, shit. Thumbs up, man.
No, I see.
No. That's right, that's right. That's right.
You have to pick it up.
Oh my God.
And a stop block. And a stop block.
That shit rebounded off you.
That shit knocked my brain.
You go?
I'm good.
It's not gonna go that far.
Good shit. Strike. Where's my defense? Nice. Picadita, picadita. Over here.
Oh!
Oh, nice.
Come on, patience, patience.
Rodrigo, who are you passing that to?
Come on,
Okay, let's go. Right here, right here. Right here.
That's you!
Right here, right here, right here.
Ya te fuiste solo. Oh, venga, venga. Go, 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 go. Grab it, grab it. Go fast, go fast.
First strike, first strike.
So go.
That shit almost went in.
Behind you, behind you. You ran 240.
Carter. Oh, my God.
Grab it, oh, fuck.
Right there.
You have that. Shoot.
Bueno.
That was this close. Hey, that was good.
Dale, dale, dale.
That's what I'm talking about.
Grab it, grab it. Grab it.
Hey. Hey, get some good shots. Get some good shots.
Boom. Andrew, grab
Are
it.
you, Angel?
Grab it.
Golazo!
So who's on whose team now? Walter!
Ya mátalo, ya, vamos.
Boom!
Defense.
Voy, voy, voy.
Es el tuyo.
Uy!
Oh no!
Tíraselo, boom.
Sorry. Up.